Well, hello guys. So much changed around here. And Chiro's still there. I was just asking my aunt that there was a problem with the truck. Let's see. That'll work. Let's take a look at her. She said it was running kind of weird. My grandmother over there. Sorry guys, I'm gonna be close to the truck here. I gotta get the fan open. She said it was running kind of weird. I'm just gonna look over the usual stuff real quick. Make sure nothing missing in there. Everything's plugged in. Belt loose there. Well, I don't know if it's something I could use to work actually. Nothing loose on the battery. That looks okay. No cracks on it and stuff. Hey, you guys are probably seeing better than I am from looking at the camera. Well, let's start it up and see what she does. I can actually get in there. Oh shit, nope. Oh no. There we go. Alright, that's just odd. Oh, I think I know it. Something in there. I haven't heard it do that in a long time. Maybe one of you guys can give me a hint. Let's see if she runs though. Let's see if this does it. Hey, yeah, a lot of dust in there. Oh, did I leave it in here? Not too much of that. There's that weird tapping noise in the exhaust. Sorry guys. Congestion got in my throat somewhere. That little hummingbird right there. Okay, buddy, you have to go. Nope, you gotta go. Come by. Alright, let's see if that noise goes back on again. Yeah, well, I forgot what that part is called over there on that side. But let's see here. No smoke from it. Yeah, my aunt got this back in '97 before I was diagnosed with my little disorder that I have. Well, before it was called autism spectrum. Ended up getting a ride back in it was actually ADHD actually. So nothing. One more time just for the hell of it. No gas pedal. It's throttle body injection. Throttle body, as Corvair Wild says. Alright guys, I guess that's it then. So, good luck guys. See you later.